Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make muffins fluffy. First, understand that overmixing is the enemy of a light texture. We'll focus on gentle handling and the right ingredients. Achieving that perfect, airy crumb starts with a few simple, yet crucial, steps. By following these guidelines, you'll consistently bake muffins that are wonderfully soft and moist, making every bite a delightful experience. Let's dive into the details to elevate your baking game. For truly fluffy muffins, ingredient preparation is key. Always use eggs and milk at room temperature. This helps them combine more smoothly with other ingredients, creating a more uniform batter. A blend of baking soda and baking powder provides a robust lift. Consider using buttermilk or yogurt for added moisture and a tender crumb. Remember to measure your flour accurately, using the spoon and level method to avoid a dense result. The muffin method is your secret weapon for fluffiness. Start by combining all your dry ingredients in one bowl, ensuring they are well mixed. In a separate bowl, whisk together all the wet ingredients. Then, pour the wet mixture into the dry. The crucial step is to fold them together very gently, just until no dry streaks of flour are visible. Overmixing develops gluten, leading to a tough muffin, so resist the urge to keep stirring. Baking correctly is the final step to achieving that perfect fluffy texture. Start by preheating your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. This initial high heat creates a beautiful dome. After 5 minutes, reduce the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure even cooking. Fill your muffin cups about 2/3 full for ideal expansion. Once baked, transfer them to a wire rack immediately to cool, preventing any steam from making the bottoms soggy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.